Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel
by welcoming our
and
guest.
press like. When you subscribe,
Asiwaju,
you'll be able
Bola,
to
Ahmed,
get
Tinubu,
notifications each time we post.
candidate.
Okay? We love you guys.
His running mate, Senator Ahmed and entire AP's machinery. In June last year, you are here as part of political consultation in preparation for APC presidential primaries. As presidential candidate, you have succeeded to speak for itself. You have distinguished yourself as a courageous administrator and Lagos governor and opposition leader. Your role as a political mentor and incubator of leaders will continue to serve and inspire to the new generation of aspiring leaders and politicians. As Lagos governor, you set the state on the path of financial independence through your revenue and fiscal reforms, raising its internal revenue generation to record levels. As the architect of modern Lagos, you developed the blueprint of infrastructure and economic development, upon which the present and future success of Lagos is built. Today, Lagos state is among the top economies in Africa and is regarded as a model of opportunity and progress across Nigeria. Your running mate, Shehu-Abubakar, is more of a homage, and this part especially. Our relationship transcends generations, not only that we have a share common history and geography, but my late grandfather, Alhaji, of blessed memory, maintained a very close friendship with your father. The relationship that extends to our own generation. As grandfathers, our duty is to promote peaceful coexistence among our people. I would like, therefore, call on all politicians and congratulate second the peaceful conduct of presidential election. I want to commend you to maintain a peaceful campaign. I would like to use this medium to comment